Good day everyone and welcome to the Gulf Snapper. This is Talali with you, and I'm going to take you through the top 5 for the day of for Monday 28th of June 2021. I have started already the screener results, and I got the following top 5. You can find the continuation of the rise of ASPS, and on the daily it has done perfect movement and test to the 50 days simple moving average. A perfect move actually. Our entry came at 10:13 a.m. and it lasted for 1 hour and 11 minutes, making a successful upper movement. The market was perfect yesterday, and the result that we got here is based on the excellent entry point that we started with. Actually, stop loss could be here or a little bit lower to be in the safe side. Okay, moving to the second one, WNW, and that was with us also on Thursday. You can see clearly here that it tested the simple moving average of 50 days as well, and it has done a perfect upper movement. Then it closed above the moving average, which is a good sign that it will test it today. There might be some sort of kind of heavy selling today, and we will see what will happen. Okay, moving to, of course, that one was with us only for 4 minutes, and it made $1,585.50. Okay, moving on to BLCT. Again, BLCT was testing the simple moving average of 50 days, and it successfully closed above it, but let's see what will happen in today's trading. It took longer time to make our 7%. The entry was 10:27 a.m. and the trade was closed by the end of the trading day. I'm not seeing any strong resistance after the 7.26 here. I think breaking 7.26 will take it to the 8.7, but let's see. That might not happen immediately. It might take some time. The positive thing here is the increase in the volume, and this might continue as well. Let us see what will happen. Following is GRAY, and it's moving perfectly. Actually, it had a very good range today. So we started with $5.56, and that was 9:32. Excuse me. And in 9 minutes, it made the 7%. So that's a perfect and typical share to trade, and excellent consolidation. Usually that indicates that it will make a very nice and sweet movement and gains once it breaks. So that was a perfect one actually, and I think it will slow down after this. Looking at the historical prices, it might slow down before it moves, and it is targeting closing the gap that happened back in March 8th or 9th. So that's expected to happen as well. Last but not least is Qumu, and that was actually under the spot, under our radar for some time, but the confirmation happened today. And I think if somebody is going long swing as a swing trader, it will really be profitable. And our entry was perfect after a very lengthy consolidation. And again, the longer you consolidate, the more you gain. Your gain is. So here what had happened is that it appeared at 11:25 a.m. and within 23 minutes it made the gain of 7%, and it closed perfectly to the upper side. So what's expected is that it might test at the opening, test this area, the 3.78, and might continue. Okay, I have indicated in my Twitter account two stocks which are EYES. So let's see EYES quickly. What had happened is that it started by opening at 3.66, then it went down a little bit at 3.59, then it made around 2% at 3.74. But as I mentioned in my account, it might go to 3.88, our projected target, very soon, and it might after that continue or do similar pattern like the previous days. So that could happen, and this is only to watch it and see how it will go. Next one I mentioned was SYPR, and SYPR was excellent, and the question I mentioned, or I dropped to the followers, was, is it going to be above 4.25? Well, if the market continues the excellent performance here, and if we get some volume here, I think we can easily see the 4.25. At initial stage, it is easy to be above the 4. Those are predetermined places or levels that stocks usually respect, and once those are reached, usually we expect that there will be some resistance here and turbulence before it either goes up or it fails to break this level of precisely 4.03 to go above and reach to the 4.25. So that's my quick daily top 5 for the Gulf screener. I wish you enjoyed it. I'll catch up tomorrow for the update of today, and don't miss the live streaming of today. Happy trading, everyone. Bye bye.